morning, students. Today we are going to learn how to write report. Okay, report writing. What is a report? While writing a report, it should be clear and concise document. Concise, that is brief document. This report we should have limited words, that is 150 to 200 words, not more than that. What is the purpose of writing a report? Okay, if you are collecting any event, incident happened means you are writing as a report. Report is written for news, journals, these newspaper and all, isn't it? If reporters collecting the news, then only they can put it in the newspaper. The people can understand what is happening in the world. So we need report writer, then only they will be collecting reports and editing process. All this process can be done by editor, chief editor, and all these things happened. Then only it will be published in the newspaper. Not only newspaper, magazine, journal, whatever it is. Got it, children? Here, report means it should be clear and a concise document. We had to remember while writing report. What should we remember? Written in past tense. Okay, while writing the report, it should be in the past tense. Don't use first person, I, me and all. We have to use third person, that is he, she, it. Use indirect speech and use passive voice. It is done by myself, like that. So you are studying 4th standard, still you have not learnt indirect speech and passive voice, then you don't take much care about it, but you have learnt past tense, no? So use past tense while writing report writing. Come to this format. Okay, you draw the box. Okay, if you have taken any A4 sheet paper or any paper, you draw the box. Write that topic, heading. You can see in the newspaper and all. The topic should be given at the center of the page, no? Yes. Write the topic. Then place, date. That should be left corner. Who is going to report everything? That is your name. Reported by Saranya. Designation, reporter. Okay, reporter. Here I am a teacher, so write teacher and all. Then body of the letter. First, introduction part. In the first line, what should you write? It means the question arises what is happening, who are all involving in this matter, when it is happened, where it is happened. That should be mentioned in the first 2 lines. Then come to next, second line, why it is happened, why that event happened. That you have to collect the news and write it. Third line, volunteers participation. If you want to add extra things and all, you can add it in the third line. Then main content, how it should be, how the event started and what were the highlights of the event. That should be mentioned in the main event, that is next paragraph. Next, conclusion. Summarize the end of the event with a positive note. Even though it ends with the negative, you have to conclude with the optimistic, that is positive note. Got it, children? This is the way of writing report. How to write a report about a special event. Pay attention to these points. Got it, children? Yes. First, once again I am telling you, divide your text into introduction, main part and ending. There should be 3 paragraphs. Introduction, what are the things? What kind of event, where it happened, when it took place, who was there, who are all there in that event. That should be maintained in the introduction part. In that main part, you have to description of the event, describing the event, important information that you have to mention it in the second paragraph, correct order of events, that order, first, next, this order has to be maintained in the second paragraph. Come to third, ending part. It should be short. Okay, final statement about the event, what it happened. That should be in the positive mode. Got it, children? Yes. Write from your point of view. Introduction. On the last day of school, we visited with the class the local zoo. What is the main part there? It was dark in the reptile's home. I was a bit afraid suddenly. What is the ending part? Our teacher gave everyone an ice cream for free. So we enjoyed that. That is the positive mode. Okay. This is a simple example that I had given. Okay. It is a very less than 50 words. But you have to write a report 150 to 200 words. Got it, children? Yes. Write about everything that was important. That means give your feelings, whether you fear, anger, or you sad, or you feel shame, or what you felt it, that you have to maintain it. Use strong verbs, that should be past verb. Use adjectives to describe something exactly. You have to exaggerate. Then only the person who reads your report, they will be feeling happy to read. Then highlights what was special about your experience. Suddenly the little animal was sitting on my shoulder, that and all. For heaven's sake, don't forget the heading. Got it, children? Yes. Use verbs in simple past tense. Already I told you. For example, last week we went there. Okay, like that you can narrate. Like that you can write the report. The exotic animals looked at me. This was the best ice cream ever. Like that you have to exaggerate your words. Summary report about a special event. Once again I am telling you, introduction part should be there, main part, ending. You have to describe your emotions, use adjectives and verbs and all. Highlight important information that you have to highlight it. Don't forget to give the heading. And once again I am telling you, use past tense. Indirect speech and passive voice okay, but still you have not learned all these things, because you will be learning these things and all grade 6 alone. Okay, grade 6 and above. That's why I am telling you use past tense, because that action, that event already happened. Got it, children? Yes. Here look once again. PDM refers place, date, month, everything mentioned. In that opening paragraph, WH question should be there. Then second paragraph, that is the middle paragraph, how and why it is happened, that event, people involved, experts, feedback, all this you have to include it. Then conclude that report with the optimistic note. Got it, children? Yes, already I had informed you in online live classes. Once again I am telling you, this is your activity. Based on this, marks will be given to you. Write reports on endangered animal. Already in science, maths, everything you have learned it, isn't it? Similarly, you are going to write reports on endangered animals. Take white sheet, okay? Draw the line on 4 sides, then start to write that report. Okay, once you finished it, you can send this thing to that mail ID. You know, already know, that is a tops grade4abc@gmail.com. Got it, children? I hope that you all understood. Thank you.